Hey YouTube, welcome back everyone to my channel. It is the season of Christmas time. We've got all the jolly colors, and I would love to make pozole verde. This is the first time that I'm gonna make pozole verde. My husband keeps saying that I've made it before. I don't remember ever making it. He says it's in my shorts, so I'm gonna go through all my shorts because I don't remember ever making it. So I got all the chilies, and you're supposed to roast the chilies and all this stuff. So it's this whole process to make this pozole verde. So I'm gonna go ahead and make it for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Make sure you guys give it a thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe. For all my new subscribers, don't forget to hit that little bell notification. They will notify you of more videos. Let's get to it. Right here we have a big can of hominy. We have some cilantro, some pumpkin seeds. We have some Serrano chilies right here. We have some spinach. We've got Anaheim chilies. And we have poblano chilies right here. This is what we'll be using for the sauce. We have this chicken. I like the one with the thighs and the legs, so that's what I'll be using. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. The chicken is already in the pan. We've got the hominy. We're gonna use half an onion, about 7 cloves of garlic. I put 5 bay leaves. It's supposed to be 4, but I like that extra flavor. We're gonna go ahead and bring this to a boil. So while it's boiling, we're gonna get started with our other ingredients. But right here, I'm gonna go ahead and put 2 of our chicken powder, and then we have some onion powder and garlic powder that I'm gonna go ahead and put in here. So you can do about half a teaspoon. Right here, we're gonna go ahead and roast the chilies. Make sure you guys put them in a plastic bag set to the side because we are going to let them steam and peel. Then we're gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna put a spoon of manteca because I just love manteca. We've got half an onion cut up. We're gonna put about 14 to 10 tomatillos in here cut up in half, and the chilies, roast them. Right here we're gonna remove some scum, and towards the end of roasting these, we're gonna go ahead and throw in about 4 to 3 garlics in here. We're gonna go ahead and blend, and right here we've got some thyme, half a teaspoon of thyme. We have some pepper, of course, black pepper, and that one is 1 tablespoon, sorry. Right here, oregano, 1 tablespoon, and right here, cumin, and 1 whole tablespoon as well. This is all gonna go into our blender. So we're putting everything in the blender. We're gonna go ahead and peel our chillies. Take out the seeds and everything, the stem. Put them in the blender, and then we're gonna go ahead and roast these up. Make sure you guys don't burn them. It's gonna change its color and you'll notice it right away. It'll take about a minute. So let's move these around really well. Oh, using the wrong spoon, of course, bubbly me. Okay, here we go. So make sure these are roasted nicely. Let's throw them in our blender. Don't forget to put some of the broth from your pozole in here. And then right here we have a whole rama of the cilantro. Let's throw it all in here. Make sure you guys rinse it well. And right here, of course, I had forgotten to put some chicken broth. Story of my life, but I'm putting it in there, so it's okay. We rinsed out our spinach, and you can either put 1 whole handful of spinach. I went ahead and put 2. And it gave it such a beautiful, delicious flavor. So I went with 2. Blend that, throw it in your pan, let it steam up and boil for about 30 minutes more, and voila, here we go. This is our garnish. Some lettuce I used. You can use cabbage, our onions, and we put our rábanos. A little lemon juice on the top and some tapatio. Don't forget your avocado slices on the side. Yum, yum, yum. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. I'll see you here on our next video.